Hello, welcome to Pakistan Foodies Official Channel. This video is about chicken cheese paratha and paratha rolls as they are made on streets of Pakistan. This is first of many in the series of nightlife of Pakistan. What do you think about our videos? Please let us know in the comments. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We love to discover and connect with other foodies. Please join our Facebook or WhatsApp group to promote your channel and gain more subscribers who love food just like you. Now, please enjoy the video. Thank you.
They are specialists in making paratha rolls. Look at this. This guy is making fresh parathas. Yeah, paratha and tikka. The paratha is wrapped in this tikka. Assalamu alaikum, sir. This is the chef. Sir, naam kya? Abdul Razak. This is Abdul Razak, the chef. Thank you for inviting followers. Yeah, hello chef. You can see भाई रास्ते में तो नहीं हो किसी के?
स्पेशल दो मायो चीज.
So hi everybody, welcome. Hi Wendy, hi Sabar, hi Danny, hi Ninja, hi. So these parathas are being made for the paratha rolls. The kebabs are getting ready over there on low flame. It's wood coal being used here. Is there dal as well? No, this is paratha is served with chicken tikka and mayonnaise. It's amazing to see how they make square parathas. जी साबर साहब अगली दफा भावलपुर आए तो you should come here. This is in commercial area. हाँ. I am in commercial area Bahawalpur. What it is made from? This guy is preparing dough for it. Like, Assalamualaikum bhai. क्या नाम है आपका? हाँ, this guy is named Shoaib. Shoaib is preparing the bread and dough for the parathas. This is a soft dough made of flour. ये दो तरह के हैं. ये पराठा रोल के पेड़े हैं और वो वाले दूसरे पराठे के. Okay. I'm trying to not to get into their way. What is the dough? Dough में there is flour in it. Yeah. And they are making parathas. It's Indian bread. Thank you for inviting followers. Thank you everyone. Thank you Sabir. Thank you Danny. Thank you Ninja. Trader. Thank you Salman. How are you? How are you Sebastian? How are you Moody? Hi Chanyoti. Welcome. Hi Chanyoti. I know you are high today. Yeah. Thank you for inviting followers everyone. This guy is preparing dough for parathas and over there these are kebabs on high heat. This is where all the action happens. He is cleaning up tawa. Tawa nu अंग्रेजी की कहते हैं. It's tawa, yeah. Chanyoti, तवे को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? Ramadan might maza, yeah. In Ramadan, the parathas are sold very in the sahri. Yeah. It's an oven. Oven is not the tawa. As you can see, they are using pure ghee. This is from Asia Flour Mill, which is also a local Asia ghee mill.
अंडे फ्राई करने ने की करना है फ्राई मिलेंगे आमलेट आमलेट का टाइम नहीं है आमलेट
Hi Ali, how are you?
टाइम नहीं है ना
Yeah, my stomach is also rumbling. I haven't eaten since the morning. Walaikum salam. मैं भी ठीक हूँ अली भाई. How are you?
चिकन चीज का
Here he is making rolls. Thank you, PSMO. How are you, PSMO? He's making paratha rolls. He put the seek on. Yeah, pie in the sky. But I don't think you have tasted it here. This guy is making cheese paratha.
आमलेट में प्याज काट दे
Yeah, flavor time. It's like there's chicken in it, and he's adding cheese, and then he's putting another dough on it. So it's like a pie. TCS कर दो एक पराठा जी. TCS करवा देते हैं आपको. आपको आना पड़ेगा भावलपुर पराठा at night पे. You have to come here.
कीमा भी लाके आ
Yeah. It must taste great. मैं आ रहे हैं मेरे यहाँ से ऑर्डर कर दो जी. अली भाई के लिए 4 पराठे ऑर्डर कर दिए. ठीक है. Yeah, everybody is like. You can hear the fire. You will also take some. Okay, we'll send some. Welcome back, PSMO. Welcome back, Sabar. मेरे कोल था half. Ali bhai, you are funny. Can you just mail me some? No, you can get a visa for Pakistan and come here. Walaikum salam, PSMO. How are you? I'm going to go out for butter chicken. Forget this. Well, you cannot forget this. Look at this paratha. Look at this beautiful paratha simmering on oil. Oh, you need Pakistani visa? I can send you Pakistani visa, no problem. Hi Simon, how are you? We are having paratha rolls. Choking, yeah. This is chicken cheese paratha being fried. Yeah, it is. It's ready to go to the customer. He's making more. Share out, guys. Thank you, Simon. Thank you for the call out. Welcome back, Polariso. Hi, City Flyer. How are you? Thank you for retweet, Yoli. What's up? This guy is making chicken cheese parathas. This is special Indian food. This is paratha at night in commercial area Bahawalpur. It's smelling good. You cannot even. The smells are so good. Yoli, I really appreciate your sharing. City Flyer, thank you for posting to Twitter. Thank you, Duncan. Look at this, his skills. He's just. Oh. Wow. Hello from Germany. Why need visa? Hello from Sweden. How are you, Tekda? Thank you for inviting follower Anna. You have smell-o-vision. Yeah, it really smells great here. Anything that is cooked on very high heat is very hygienic. So all. Hi Saresh, how are you? Today we are having paratha, kebab paratha. So these are chicken cheese parathas. All the viruses and everything dies on high heat. This food is very clean. Yes, it's cooked on very high heat. The temperature is so high, no virus or no nothing can survive in that heat. Look at the flame. Look at the flame he has below. So it's very high heat and they are making it. Look at the bubbles. Hi, Midoriliwa. They need a lot of gas. Yes, Pakistan is blessed with a lot of natural gas resources. Hello, Karen. Hello, Karen. Which city? This is Bahawalpur, Pakistan. I am in the commercial area and this joint is called Paratha at Night. They are very kind enough to let me shoot here. So I will not be kicked out of him here. Yeah, we are England. So these parathas are ready for customers and he is making more dough. Shoaib naam tha. Shoaib is making more dough. It makes me hungry. Yeah, it makes you hungry.